Hi, I'm Trevor Conkergood. Welcome to the Floriani software update for build 3749 in February 2021. And we're suggesting that all software owners of Floriani software go ahead and update to each new build possible. And certainly if you own some of the other programs like FTCU or Total Quilter, then you'll want to visit those pages to find videos about feature enhancements that are changing in the program with this build. But for owners of the Lettering Master or the Rainbow software or the Creative Express software, while the tools of those programs have not changed, the general program has been sort of updated, and so it's always good to get the latest build so that you know that you have the most up-to-date formats, hoop sizes, and this sort of information. And so we'd like to say welcome to all owners to build 3749 released February 2021.